Hello everyone.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel again.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so we are here again. As you can see, I have my small assistant. He never lets me do a video without him. So today what we are going to do is we are going to show you what are the very basic tools that you need if you want to start decorating cake at home. This is not for those who want to start a business, baking business from home, but this is for those of you who are just starting out and who wants to play around with cake decorating. So now my small assistant is gone. So there are hundreds of tools which are available in the market, which you must be seeing videos and all, that you have to use this, you need to have this, but there are basically four very basic tools that you can use and which you can invest in and then start. But yes, of course, if you want to start your baking as a business, and slowly you need to get more stuff, more things. But for now, if you are just a home baker, and then if you want to try on some bakings, then you can start with this four tools. You can start with these four tools, just four. Thing I would say, invest on this is a spatula and also palette knife. So this is the plain. There are some other which is bent and then which has a slight bent here, that is offset spatula we call, but for the beginners I would say go for this. Some money on this spatula, which is a little bit flexible, and it is great when you are working with creams or any soft frosting, even ganache. I use it for every single frosting. So that's the one. And number two, these scrapers. There are many kinds in the market. Some are made of plastic, some are made of some light plastics, even like this, which are for other uses, and there are some with steels. But for the beginners, I would recommend you buy these plastic ones. These are called flexi scrapers. These are really good with cream. I even use it to ganache my cakes before fondant, and it still works great. So these scrapers are good. Another cake decorating tool which I would like to recommend is to invest on some of these nozzles. These are called piping nozzles. So if you want to make some shell borders or some rosettes, and go for this. These are star tips. So there are many kinds of tips. Even this, see the difference, there are different kinds. These are all called star tips, but the designs will be a bit different, but it is great for making borders and rosettes. It is really good for the beginners. And if you want to go for advanced level, and if you want to learn how to make roses and other flowers, this is a nozzle that you need to go for. This is a petal nozzle, which I use it for almost everything, to make either roses or some other flowers for the cakes. And this is the one you should go for. This is the bigger one. There is another size also you can get in the market, but I prefer this. This is thin, and then it really comes out really well. Yeah, that's the one. And the last thing that is required for a basic cake decorating is this piping bags. These are disposable bags, and I would say go for disposable bags, because the reusable ones I tried in the beginning, and then it is a pain in your neck. It is so hard to wash, and then it's really, the maintenance is difficult. So if you want to save some time and energy, go for these. These are disposable ones. You can get a bunch of them in a very cheap rate from Amazon. I get it from Amazon, and these comes in 100 pieces, a packet of 100 pieces. So you can get a lot out of this. Invest on this, because without this you can of course do some cake decorating and all, but this will save you a lot of time. You just put your frosting inside, put a nozzle, first, of course, nozzle. You make a cut and then it goes out, and then you put your cream or ganache or chocolate, anything here, and then you go piping around your cake. So that's the 4 things I would suggest that you invest on right now if you want to start cake decorating at home. And this is for the beginners and for the basic starter. So for the beginners, these 4 tools, 4 items are the most important, I suppose, for me, which you can start with as a baker at home, and then start decorating some beautiful cakes. Piping bags, piping tips, some scrapers, and some spatulas, also known as palette knife. So these 4, if you have at home, you can start your baking, cake decorating journey, and slowly you can add more tools as you learn more techniques and new things and start your business. Thank you. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.